Welcome to Engineer Investor 2025. Today in our stock view, we are going to cover Power Finance Corporation. In short, it is known as PFC. So as the name suggests, they are into power sector and they use their funds to give, supports and accounting money and the infrastructures, all those things for uh, the companies and industries in power sectors. Okay, so they are like a fund house. They will distribute funds and they'll collect uh, kind of lease or whatever we call service charge or whatever we call, they will collect. So this is like closely associated with all these power sectors are closely associated with the government. And the daily stock news, as we see, high is days high 334.95 and low is 329.9, and 52-week high is 483, 52-week low is 329, all time high is 580, and the PE is 4.45. This is a low PE against sector PE of 9.93. And the strengths, company with a high TTM EPS growth. EPS means earnings per share, and weakness is near 52-week low. Actually, most of the stocks, as you see, I'll be selecting according to the fundamentally strong stock and which is trading at a lowest price in the 52-week low, so that can be give a good momentum or good return in future. That's the reason. Anyway, it is better to select a stock which is undervalued compared to overvaluation, because undervalued stocks can sometime can grow to overvalued. That time we will have we will see lot of profits. Opportunity is nothing. Threats, as we see, below 200 days moving average, it is trading below 200 days moving average, and we are not worried about that because we are not into trading, we are into investing. The price chart, as you see here, you can see zigzag and consolidation. Now it is downtrend. It is now around 333. I have seen the stock in some years back around 150, 200 in that range, and then it has gone to 580 rupees, and then now it is at around 330 rupees. Analyst rating, as we see, they have given buy rating, and the price performance, as we see, last 1 year it is negative performance, and prior to that it has given a positive performance. But the performance was also flat for years together. For a lot of years, it was around 150 to 200, and then it has spiked up to 580. So we cannot say when exactly these things will happen. So we have to wait. We have to have that patience. Patience is the main thing in investing. We should not lose hope. We should stay calm and patience. And technicals, as we see here, pivot point is 336 and resistance from 338 to 342 and supports from 333 to 329. And days moving average, simple moving average, as we see here, 20 days 351 and 200 days 400. Public opinion is kind of mixed, means they are saying it is not, they are not buying or selling, they are just keep holding it because they would have invested some time back and they want to hold. These people might have invested at a highest level also and lowest level also, so they will just hold it because in future it may go up, so that time they can give a sell. On financials revenue, as you see here, it is almost flat from 21 to 23. 24 and 25, we see a little bit increase, marginal increase only. It is not a very high. This is how it, works. This power sector and PFC always at a very slow growth, but also steady. And brokers research, as you see here, more November, they have given buy rating for the target of 485, and before, much before August, June and all, they have given somewhere around 500, 485 in that range they have given. Most of them say it is buy. Shareholding pattern, as you will see here, 56, around 56 percentage with the promoter, and FII is having 18.8 percentage. That is significant, and DII is having 16 percentage. So that's a good sign. This company is a very well established, steady company because FII is showing interest here. So this can grow higher than this. On peer comparison, as we see, REC, SBI card, IFCI, and Ujjivan Finance. These are all the competitors, we can say in other words. And PE, as we see, Power Finance is the PFC is the lowest PE of 4.45. So this is a good valuation. We can start considering this. This will still go down, and we should not be worried about it. We should have that confidence. You, for example, today I'm buying at 333 rupees. It may go to 320 rupees or 300 rupees, 290 rupees. But I'm not worried. When it goes to 300 rupees, I'll buy one more share. When it goes to 280 rupees, I'll buy one more share. Like that, I'll put money because this is fundamentally strong company. And also we have to keep a minimum track. Minimum we have to see once in a while news, and like this videos you can tutorials you can see. Just to open in Money Control or Economic Times or any website for this matter, and just to see the company chart. That should be sufficient. Conclusion: stock trading at a fair valuation, yes, and can consider for long term. We can start considering now one or two quantities, and as it goes down further, we can consider add and consider few more quantities as well. That's all today. Thank you.